seeing a Tommy gun into the side of the car, a shotgun, 45 and a 9mm, and no penetration.
Can I try it with an arrow?
Shit, it'll be fine.
You think so?
I mean,
I bet I can get in there.
crossbow might.
I have a 90-pound compound bow.
We're gonna try right now if you want. You might want to do it in a slang. You know what I mean?
I am the hunter!